Just an update on this, the BaByliss IPL, my new review that I've just started again because my first review was not very conclusive. So I started a new round of sessions. I've done 2 sessions now, and I have noticed it's working a lot better than the first time I used it. It's much easier for me to get it done. The first time I used it, it took forever to use it through the sessions. Now each session I can do it in around 10 minutes, so it's much quicker, and I do think that it's working better than last time as well. I've done 2 sessions like I said, and I'm going around 3 to 4 days without shaving, so it is slowing the growth down. So what I'm going to do is carry on doing more sessions, and I'll do a final review either at the end of the full 8 sessions or before that if it's worked, doing less sessions. So I'm going to go because I have a cold. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how it's going, and subscribe if you want to see the next one, and I'll see you soon. Bye.